Hello kids, today we will draw a cute rainbow cake. So let's start. First draw the plate. Draw a line like this. Now draw another line, but make it a little small. Now connect both the ends. Good job! Now draw the cake. First draw a line, and make the end curvy. Well done! Now draw the other side also. Draw the line, and make the end curvy. Now connect both the ends. Now let's decorate the cake. Make some curvy and wavy line on the cake. Good job! It's looking very great. Now draw another wavy and curvy line. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we draw 3 parts of the cake. Now draw a fluffy cloud on the cake. Just draw like me, and you will not make any mistake. Now let's make the rainbow. First draw a half circle, like this. Now let's draw some more circle, just its parallel. Look, we draw total 5 curvy half circle. Good job! We complete the rainbow. Now let's make it more cute. Now draw a unicorn horn. Now draw 2 lines inside the horn. Lastly, draw the ear. Make it like a mountain. Now draw the other ear also. Look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use dark blue color and color the plate. Color carefully and only color the plate. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! It's looking very great. Now use sky blue color and color the cake lower part. Color carefully on the curvy area. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Now use the color and color the rainbow also. Lastly, color the unicorn horn. Good job! it's looking very nice. Now use yellow color and color the middle part of the cake. Color very slowly, and don't make any mistake. Color step by step, and it's done. Now color the rainbow also. Color only one part of the rainbow. Now color the unicorn horn. Well done, look, we complete 2 layers of the cake. Now use pink color and color the top layer of the cake. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Just color left and right, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color the rainbow also. Good job, it's looking very great. Lastly, color the unicorn horn, and it's done. Wait, look, the last rainbow is left. Use red color and color the last rainbow also. Well done. Lastly, use green color and color the cloud. Also color the unicorn ear. Good job, look, we complete the drawing. Look how colorful and delicious the rainbow cake is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.